New animals discovered in 2023. The Antarctic strawberry feather star, with a central body that resembles a strawberry with a rounded triangle shape. However, what gives it an alien-like appearance are its 20 different arms. Some of the arms are up to 8 inches long. Two new poisonous birds, the Regent whistler and the rufous-naped bellbird, have been recently discovered in the jungles of Papua New Guinea. The world's list of poisonous birds is quite limited, and these findings mark the first additions in over 2 decades.